Hello, in this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the techniques involved in merging one or more zones together to create a single combined zone. You might typically do this to simplify a model for faster simulations, or where a geometrically complex space is to be modelled using more than one block. During this tutorial, I will show you how to draw holes and merge zones. I will use the model I created in the earlier outline blocks and
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.